update video. Welcome to the Xillerated channel. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. I'm basically starting this video from scratch, and here's the update. So I had a misfire on all 4 cylinders. I changed spark plug, changed coil pack, still had misfire issues. Now, as you can see, I'm in a shop and it's B-Tech performance parts, and I pretty much got burnt working on the car. It's been a couple days. We were waiting on headers, so yesterday we installed headers, downpipe. Looks good. I'll post a video of a clip of it from a couple days ago. But we still got a misfire, and today we decided to do the compression test. Sad news, as you could tell by me making this video. Cylinder 3, 0 compression. Oh shit, bro, you got up to 100. I wish. I wish. We're dead cylinder. My gosh. Yep, time for a rebuild. Best part about this though is the fact that I got a 2002 Bug-Eye Wrx Wagon in mint condition, body wise and everything, and now the heart is about to get a refresh. It's gonna be brand new. It's gonna be, or not brand new, well technically kind of brand new, but it's gonna be reliable. It's gonna be the most reliable car I have, so I can't wait for that. It sucks that I only got to enjoy the car for a month, but it was a month of me enjoying the fact that it was stock. I enjoyed the stock engine, and now I can't wait to overhaul it. Stamps is gonna come later on. I'm more interested in power and wanting to just get this car reliable. Don't care about wheels at the moment. I got lowering spring because of B-Tech. So upside to all that, I already got the parts, just gotta get the rebuild and I'm good to go. So if you got a, say, misfire in all 4 cylinders, honestly, best thing to do, check your compression first, then of course do your spark plugs and coil pack, and then go from there. If your compression's good, do leak dam test. Just figure out if your compressions are good, because definitely did not expect a 0 on cylinder 3. I was hoping for something low, but that was the lowest it'll go. Anyways, it's a short video. Just wanted to keep you guys updated on the car, because I know you guys wanted to see this go stance boy this month. Different outcome, but glad. Anyways, catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button.